Bought this old sewing machine at a rummage sale for $25, and I'm going to test it out today. It's an old Universal made in 1930-ish. I've looked it up on the internet, and I found that a lot of machines look the same, so they must have the same pattern or design. The back of the machine where the motor is, there's two oil ports by the shafts, or the shaft, and inside here some of the cams were exposed when I took off this faceplate. And underneath, of course, it has the typical cams and shafts, which I oiled wherever the ports were. Now I'm going to thread the machine. I had to go to the internet to find out exactly how to do it. But we're going to go over that back loop, up through this tension thingamajig, through the tension wire loop, up into the arm, down through this little doojobby, then around this little hook, and then through the needle from left to right. Then of course underneath the pressure thingamajig. Now this old cabinet has the power switch mounted on the inside to the right, where you're going to press it with your knee. Okay, I've got this old rag. I'm going to give it a try. Let's see how this bad boy works. Pretty smooth so far. Let's see if the reverse works. Oh yeah, very nice. Very smooth. There you go. Nice and flat. It looks like it's perfectly adjusted. Not too shabby for being nearly 100 years old. Okay. I think I got a good one here.